Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your shirt change color on CapCut PC using the green screen, using like a green shirt. So you have to use a green shirt in order to create this color changing kind of shirt. So select the cutout chroma key and select the green bit of the shirt and adjust the strength, as well as the shadow if you'd like to just add that a little bit. And then you can just change the color by putting the color underneath that green screen. And for instance, you wanted to change color into like another color, I guess, just place the colors next to each other so that it, I guess, changes colors. If you want to do it like gradually, it's a little bit harder because you'll have to like use like keyframes. As you can see, this like changes like drastically and not like fades into like a color. But if you'd like to, you can like, hold on, place it here and then like place another one like kind of on top, just so like so. And you'll also want like brighter colors, not like this one. Maybe I'm just gonna add like this green one instead, it's fine. And then I am going to add a keyframe kind of like here in opacity, and then I'm going to put it down to 100 when it hits that green bit. So it transitions kind of to that green color, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!